कमिश्नर पुलिस सीवी आनंद ने वेस्ट जोन पुलिस की तरफ से मुनक़िदा जॉब मेले का इफ्तिताह किया। उन्होंने बताया कि 600 से ज़्यादा जायदादों के लिए 1000 से ज़्यादा दरखास्त गुजारों ने अपनी दरखास्तें दाखिल की हैं। उन्होंने बताया कि पुलिस तमाम जोन में ऐसे प्रोग्राम मुनक़िद करते हुए अपनी समाजी जिम्मेदारी भी निभा रही है। नौजवानों को रोजगार फराहम करना और इसके लिए उनकी मदद करना वक्त की शदीद ज़रूरत है।
The Hyderabad City Police, in coordination with the CEO of TMI and TMI Foundation, Ravi Ramakrishna, have undertaken this Job Mela program. This is being done for the last 3-4 years. It's a very successful program. I was delighted to see so many companies, almost 100 companies have come. They put up their stalls. They have announced vacancies ranging even to 600, from 40 vacancies to 600 vacancies. And prior to this, for about a month or so, this publicity program was taken up in all the areas of West Zone. We go by rotation in each zone. So this publicity program has led to the appearance of over 1,000 candidates here for the interviews. Many more will be coming in the day. And it's a beautiful opportunity because one cannot expect only government to give all employment. There is a lot of private employment available. There are so many businesses which are coming up, so many startups, so many businesses. Banks are expanding their operations. So many businesses are expanding their operations. So many new types of businesses are coming up. So those who want jobs, there are jobs, but maybe they are not knowing how to apply for them or come to know about them. This is a beautiful forum where the job seekers and the job providers are connected at a common platform. So I appreciate the efforts of TMI Foundation and also the West Zone Police led by Joel Davis and his team. And this is a very beautiful program which the unemployed youth of the city should take advantage of.